Are you exporting or manufacturing hazardous goods? If yes, then your packaging must be UN certified. Without UN certified packaging, hazardous goods cannot be transported internationally. Many businesses are not aware that improper packaging can lead to serious consequences such as leakage, fire hazards, environmental damage, shipment rejection at ports, and even heavy penalties from regulatory authorities. In some cases, entire consignments are held back or destroyed due to non-compliance. So the question is your packaging fully compliant? In this video, we will help you understand everything about UN certification for packaging, in a simple and practical way. Welcome to mindsync Business Solutions. We are a regulatory compliance and certification consulting firm, helping businesses navigate complex approval processes for these. We specialize in UN certification for hazardous goods packaging and provide complete support from documentation to final approval. Our goal is simple: to make compliance easy, fast, and hassle-free for you. What are hazardous goods? Hazardous goods, also known as dangerous goods, are materials that can pose a risk to health, safety, property, or the environment during transportation. These risks may arise due to their chemical nature, reactivity, flammability, or toxicity. Common examples include industrial chemicals, lithium batteries, flammable liquids like petrol and solvents, corrosive acids, and toxic substances used in manufacturing. Even products used in everyday industries can fall under hazardous goods if not handled properly. Because of these risks, strict international regulations govern how these goods must be packaged, labeled, and transported. Types of hazardous goods. Hazardous goods are classified into 9 different classes based on the type of risk they pose. These include explosives, gases, flammable liquids, flammable solids, oxidizing substances, toxic materials, radioactive materials, corrosive substances, and miscellaneous items such as lithium batteries. Each category has its own specific requirements for packaging, labeling, and transportation. For example, flammable liquids require leak-proof containers, while corrosive substances need packaging that resists chemical reactions. Understanding the classification is the first step towards compliance. Why proper packaging is required? Proper packaging is not just a regulatory requirement, it is a safety necessity. Incorrect or weak packaging can lead to leakage, contamination, fire hazards, or even explosions during transit. Imagine a flammable liquid leaking inside a cargo container. The consequences can be severe. Certified packaging ensures that the product remains safe and stable throughout handling, storage, and transportation. It also protects logistics personnel, end users, and the environment. What is UN IIP certificate? UN certification is an approval given after packaging is tested according to international safety standards set by the United Nations. In India, this certification is issued by Indian Institute of Packaging. The certification confirms that the packaging has passed multiple safety tests such as drop tests, stacking tests, vibration tests, and leak-proof testing. Only after successfully passing these tests is the packaging considered safe for transporting hazardous goods. This certification is mandatory for exports and international shipments. What is UN number? Each hazardous material is assigned a unique 4-digit UN number. This number acts as an identification code for the substance and helps authorities understand the risks associated with it. For example, UN 3480 is assigned to lithium-ion batteries, UN 1203 to petrol, and UN 1789 to hydrochloric acid. These numbers are used globally and are essential for proper labeling, documentation, and emergency response. UN marking. Once the packaging is certified, it is marked with a UN symbol and a specific code. This marking is printed directly on the packaging and serves as proof that the packaging meets international safety standards. It helps transporters, inspectors, and authorities quickly identify that the packaging is approved for hazardous goods. Without this marking, the packaging is considered non-compliant. UN Packaging Code. Let us understand a UN Packaging Code with an example. UN 1A1, Y1.6, 224, INDIIP. Each part of this code has a meaning. UN indicates certified packaging. 1A1 refers to the packaging type, such as a steel drum. Y indicates the level of hazard the packaging can handle. 1.6 represents the specific gravity. 200 indicates test pressure. 24 is the year of manufacture. IND is the country code for India. IIP represents the certifying authority. This code ensures complete traceability and compliance. Types of packaging. Different types of packaging are used depending on the nature of hazardous goods. These include steel and plastic drums, fiberboard cartons, tin containers, composite packaging, plastic or woven bags, and bulk containers such as IBC and FIBC. Each packaging type is designed for specific materials and risk levels. Choosing the correct packaging is critical to ensure safety and compliance. Documents required. To obtain UN certification, several documents are required. These include Company Registration Certificate, GST Certificate, ISO Certificate if applicable, Material Safety Data Sheet of the Chemical, Compatibility Certificate, Packaging Specifications, and undertakings from the manufacturer and exporter. Accurate documentation is essential to avoid delays in the certification process. Procedure. The certification process starts with submitting an application. After that, packaging samples are provided for testing. These samples undergo rigorous testing to check durability, strength, and safety under different conditions. Once the packaging passes all tests, the UN certificate is issued. After certification, the packaging can be used for transporting hazardous goods. Fees. The cost of UN certification depends on several factors. These include the type of packaging, validity period, ISO certification status, and whether the application is submitted in normal or tatkal mode. For example, certification for drums may range from approximately 28,000 to over 1,26,000 rupees. Cartons, composite packaging, and bulk containers have different pricing ranges. Additionally, GST is applicable. It is important to note that fees can vary based on specific requirements and testing parameters. Validity. The validity of the UN certificate depends on the manufacturer's compliance status. Non-ISO certified manufacturers typically receive a validity of 9 months. ISO certified manufacturers can receive validity ranging from 12 months up to 48 months. After expiry, renewal is required to continue using the certification. Who needs certification? UN certification is required for packaging manufacturers, exporters of hazardous goods, chemical manufacturers, battery manufacturers, and industrial packaging companies. Any business involved in handling or transporting hazardous goods must ensure their packaging is certified. How mindsync can help you? Mindsync Business Solutions provides complete support for obtaining UN certification. We assist in documentation preparation, application submission, coordination with authorities, and certification follow-ups. Our team ensures that your process is smooth, fast, and compliant. With expert knowledge, industry experience, and end-to-end support, mindsync helps you avoid delays, reduce risks, and achieve faster approvals. We act as your compliance partner, ensuring everything is handled professionally. Ensure your hazardous goods packaging meets international safety standards. Partner with mindsync Business Solutions for complete UN certification support. Contact us today to get started. Thank you for watching.